Okay, the welding setup here for the Cybertruck is a Yes welder MIG 205DS dual voltage welder, capable of doing MIG and stick welding both, so we'll try and do videos for both. Plugged into the 240 outlet on the back of the Cybertruck. Got the welding table set up here. We're going to be welding 1/4 inch steel plate. And just to show the current power draw, we are currently at 0.2 kilowatts just at idle.
All right, we have the welder at 21 volts, 14 meters per minute, and 200 amps. Go.
Lost my line because it got...
All right, we are stick welding at 180 amps.